today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your WhatsApp fingerprint lock not working. So basically what this is, you can set a fingerprint lock on your WhatsApp by going on a setting and setting up your, WhatsApp fingerprint. Like if you're facing this problem, then basically you know how to set up a fingerprint lock. So I'm not going to be showing that, so let's get into the problem. So like when you're trying to open your WhatsApp with your fingerprint and it's not opening, the first thing could be like the place where your fingerprint, the place where your phone scans your fingerprint might be a bit dirty or a bit greasy. Like if it is a bit greasy or dirty, then clean it and try to scan your fingerprint again. It might work, because like sometimes like your fingerprint won't be scanned because of your fingerprint scanning place is dirty. And if it still doesn't work, then what you can do is go to your Play Store and check if your WhatsApp is up to date, because if it is a problem caused by bug, then updating WhatsApp can fix the bug. So go on your WhatsApp on your Google Play Store, and as you guys can see, my WhatsApp is up to date since there's an open button over here. If there was an update button over here instead of open, that means my WhatsApp is not up to date and I need to update it. So make sure your WhatsApp is up to date. After doing that, go out of WhatsApp and hold on the WhatsApp icon and click on app info over here. And after clicking on app info, click on storage usage. Once you're in storage usage, you can click on clear cache. Once you clear the cache, go back, go on permissions. Make sure all your permission over here is turned on. None of this should be off, so make sure all of this is turned on, and then restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, open WhatsApp and scan your fingerprint, and it should work. And if it still doesn't work, the last option is to delete WhatsApp and install it again, because if it is a problem caused by a corrupted file, then deleting WhatsApp and installing it again can fix it.